Okay, in this next video, I'm going to give you some phrases that you can use in the case of your washing machine breaking down. We've all been there, so the last thing we want is a broken washing machine, and we want to get somebody out to repair it as quickly as possible. So, here are some very useful phrases to help you describe the problem and tell somebody what the matter is. A minha máquina de lavar roupa avariou-se. My washing machine broke down. A minha máquina de lavar roupa avariou-se. What's the problem? Qual é o problema? Qual é o problema? Não liga. It won't switch on. Não liga. Está a verter água. It is leaking. Está a verter água. Não lava. It won't wash. Não lava. Não centrifuga. It won't spin. Não centrifuga. Faz barulhos estranhos. It's making strange noises. Faz barulhos estranhos. Don't forget to like and share. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like these. If you're looking for a more complete course, please check out the 6-week course in the description below. So until next time, até logo!